In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Alt-Tab in League of Legends. Now the first one is go into the game and make sure that you're playing on borderless. I'm just on window to record for you guys, but be on borderless. Second one is make sure if you have a gaming keyboard that you're not using a software that disables Alt-Tab. Some softwares like Logitech or Razer will have a gaming mode that's going to disable Alt-Tab on your keyboard. Now the third option is you want to make sure that you have something else open so that you can actually Alt-Tab to, just like this. So make sure you have another program open, and if you cannot access it, just press Ctrl, Alt, Delete, and press Task Manager. Now the last step is we want to disable full screen optimizations, and I'll quickly show you guys how to do that. Now to disable full screen optimizations, what you want to do is just close down League of Legends, and then after that you want to find your League of Legends by searching for it, right click and open file location. Then do it once again and you should get to Write Client Services. Right click Properties Compatibility and check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. We want to do this for all the league, so go to League of Legends now, find here, do it on this one, come here and go to Game and do it on this one as well. Make sure you press OK and apply. Once you've done that, you also want to do it on your desktop if you have one here. Disable, apply, and OK, and then this should work. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.